In this video, I'll show you how to quickly add discounts on Fresha to attract new clients and reward loyal ones. Start by logging into your Fresha for Business account. From your dashboard, head over to the marketing section, then click on Deals. This is where you'll manage all your promotions. Click the Add button to create a new deal. Choose the type of discount you'd like to offer. For example, a last-minute deal or a custom promotion. Then, give your deal a clear name that will grab attention. Decide whether your discount should be a percentage or a fixed amount, and then select which services, products, or memberships it applies to. You can also set limits like an expiry date or minimum spend to keep it flexible but controlled. Once you're happy with the setup, hit create deal and your discount will be live for clients to see and book right away. That's it. A quick and effective way to boost bookings with custom discounts on Freshpa.